Hello and welcome to this video on the teachings of Neville Goddard and the power of imagination. If you're interested in learning about manifestation and how to create the life you want, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve into one of Neville Goddard's most inspiring quotes on imagination and explore how you can harness its power to bring about positive change in your life. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to awaken your imagination. Lift up your eyes with a controlled imagination and see what you want to see. Believe in your vision, and your faith will make it solid and real in your manifested world. Are you ready to tap into the power of your imagination and shape your reality? Meet Neville Goddard, a visionary teacher who dedicated his life to show people how their thoughts and imagination can create the world they desire. For over 3 decades, Neville captivated audiences with his teachings on the art of imagining. He believed that whatever you can imagine, no matter how big or small, has the power to manifest in the real world. And he had proof. All you have to do is take a look at your own life to see what you've been imagining. But here's the catch. Actually experiencing the end result of your desires can be a challenge. It takes practice and a certain level of mastery to let go of the current reality and fully immerse yourself in the world of your imagination. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Join me on this journey as I share my own struggles and triumphs in learning the techniques taught by Neville Goddard. Let's unlock the power of our imagination and manifest the reality of our dreams. Are you ready to experience the magic of manifestation? Discover the transformative power of imagination with Neville Goddard. When you master the art of imagining, the impossible becomes possible. Manifestation happens so swiftly, it's almost like you're watching reality bend to your will. But let's face it, there are times when the mind wants to hold on to the limitations of reality and bring up doubts and fears. That's why it's crucial to have a reminder of the moments when Neville's teachings have worked wonders in your life. This is where keeping a manifestation journal comes in handy. Note down all the times when you've successfully manifested your desires, and use it as a source of inspiration during the challenging moments. Join me on this journey as we harness the power of imagination and bring our deepest desires to life. Let's write the next chapter of our lives together and let Neville Goddard's teachings work their magic. Are you ready to master the art of manifestation? Let's delve into the teachings of Neville Goddard and learn how to harness the power of our imagination to bring our desires to life. The journey of manifestation can be a long and winding road, but it's essential to have faith and patience. Once you've set your imagination in motion, your job is to enjoy the present moment while the universe works its magic. But here's the catch. If you believe that you lack what you desire, then you will lack it. It's crucial to keep your thoughts aligned with the end result and to think from the perspective of already having what you want. This is where Neville's teachings on imagination come in. He believed that imagining is thinking from the end, which means visualizing yourself in a reality where you already have what you desire. Think about how it feels, smells, tastes, and sounds. Visualize the sense of relief and triumph that comes with finally having what you want. Join me as we delve deeper into Neville Goddard's teachings and discover how to unleash the full potential of our imagination to shape the reality we desire. Let's manifest our dreams and live the life of it. Are you tired of just wanting and not having? Let's discover the secrets of manifestation with Neville Goddard. Many of us believe that just wanting our desires is enough to manifest them, but that's only half the battle. To truly bring our desires to life, we need to experience them in our imagination, beyond just receiving them. Neville Goddard taught that imagination creates reality, and to do so, we must go beyond just thinking about our desires. We need to immerse ourselves in the experience of having them and relish in the joy of their manifestation. For instance, let's say your desire is finding your soulmate. While it's great to imagine meeting them, it's even more impactful to imagine what it's like to be in a loving and fulfilling relationship with them. Visualize the romantic dinners, the hand-holding during sunset, and all the little moments that make your heart swell with happiness. By doing so, you'll activate the law of attraction and set the wheels in motion to bring your desires to life. Join me as we explore Neville Goddard's teachings and unleash the full potential of our imagination to shape our reality. The imagination is a powerful tool, and when awakened and harnessed properly, it can help us shape our reality in ways we never thought possible. Neville Goddard, a renowned teacher and philosopher, believed in the transformative power of imagination, and his words continue to inspire and guide many on their journey of self-discovery and manifestation. One of his most thought-provoking quotes on imagination is, "An awakened imagination works with a purpose. It creates and conserves the desirable, and transforms or destroys the undesirable." This quote highlights the purposeful and intentional nature of an awakened imagination. When we awaken our imagination, we are no longer passively experiencing life. We become active creators of our own reality. Our imagination becomes a tool that we can use to create the things we want, to preserve what is good in our lives, and to transform or eliminate what is negative. This quote is a reminder that imagination is not just for dreaming, but for doing. It's a call to action to awaken your imagination and use it to bring about positive change in your life. So, why not take a moment to reflect on how you can awaken your imagination and use it to create the life you desire? I hope this video has inspired you to awaken your imagination and use it to create the life you desire. Remember, imagination is not just for dreaming, but for doing. So, start using your imagination today and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.